Well, flies one into the penalty area mark. Opportunity for Kanyike! Good goal! What a response from the Ankole Lions. And that's how you mark your first goal at the Romangia Stadium in Kamwenge. And that goal, well, just gets the crowd into a frenzy. Mohamed Kanyike scores against KCCA Football Club. That is his second goal for Mbarara City Football Club in the Star Times Uganda Premier League. Well, he scored in the Western Derby against Buhimba. That was Mugumba Ashraf Sebaduka. Achai delivers one. Lovely ball and the header! Ivan Ahimbisibwe, their usual suspect with the second goal against Mbarara City Football Club. Well, Ivan Ahimbisibwe, the hunter, goal after goal. And that player is just making this look very simple. What a player, what a strike from Ivan Ahimbisibwe. 5 goals in the Uganda Premier League. Well, 2 against your Football Club, and this one making it count here. Oh, that player is unstoppable. He's finding the back of the net with ease. And this means a lot in here. KCCA Football Club, a player receiving medication.